Hey there, I hope you are doing well. If you are looking to create 100% unique character NFT collection of one or unlimited collectibles, you come to the right place. I have a team of expert illustrators to do your drawing, and we can draw almost anything. Here's a short brief of how each of these packages work. 1 base plus couple traits equals $100. 1000 generated NFT plus base plus 30 traits plus 10 backgrounds equals $450. 10,000 generated NFT plus base plus 60 traits plus 5 custom 1/1 NFTs equals $1,800. Please contact me for custom orders and requirements. We provide. Create a unique character from your idea, 100% unique in any style. Pixel, realistic, CryptoPunk style, ape style, axie style, cartoon style, flat style, sketch style and much more. Additional accessory and attribute sets of any theme, unlimited combinations, metadata for the NFTs. We draw anything and we have a lot of experience. Feel free to contact and discuss your need. We will surely have great suggestions for you. Link in description. Check it out. Have a great day.